channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I'm bringing back something that I know you guys are going to love, and it is the beginner's makeup kit, and it is the essential beginner's makeup kit. So this doesn't have a lot of things. These are just the go-to daily essential makeup products that I have included under the price of rupees 500 only. So let's just dive right into the video. Amazon Great Freedom Sale Kickstart deals are live from 2nd to 4th of August. Shop now and get 50% to 80% off on top fashion and beauty brands. 1000 plus top brands, great prices and unbeatable deals on 2 lakh plus styles. Get free delivery on your first order, 30 days easy return, pay on delivery, hurry up and shop now. I just ordered a cupcake and this is the highlight of the cupcake. It just melted. It's so hot in Guwahati right now, and thank God I got my AC, so I just can film in peace. So let's just dive right in. Also, since I'm talking about the heat, I do want to say all of these makeup products are budge proof. They are long lasting. I try to include products keeping the weather in mind. So these are absolutely just amazing makeup products, best of the best. So let's first talk about a primer. Now for primer, I wanted to include something that is going to be good for all skin types, and that is when I thought the Aqualogica moisturizer, which is the Jello moisturizer in the pink variant, the watermelon variant, is just perfect, because I just think that this is so good for all skin types. Even if you have oily skin, dry skin, this is going to work as a great priming moisturizer. So this is not going to be oily, sticky, uncomfortable in any way. It's super lightweight, absorbs into the skin. Whenever you put a foundation, BB cream, anything that you want to put on top of your makeup, this just works very nicely. So for this weather, I would say this is a really good buy under the price of rupees 500. Yeah, it retails for $4.99, so of course you can get this on off all the time. So for that price, and this is also going to last you for a really long time. I went through tubs and tubs of this moisturizer, and I have been loving it for almost the past 1 year, and this is one of my favorite primers as well. So I'm recommending this to you guys. So the next product I have here is a foundation. Now I wanted to recommend you guys something of a skin tint, because I wanted to do something like a everyday essential, but then I thought I would recommend a skin tint, then I'll have to recommend a foundation also. So I wanted to recommend a foundation that works really well for an everyday daily basis. If you use a little bit of amount of this foundation, you can honestly apply this for a daily wear. So this is the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. Let me tell you, it's not exactly a full coverage foundation. It has more so like a medium, light to medium coverage depending on how much you take this. The best part about this foundation is that it's skin-like. It's exactly like my skin, and I don't feel heaviness, I don't feel uncomfortable, and it covers up my blemishes, my uneven skin tone, everything, and I absolutely love it. It looks very natural, and at the same time it does give me that coverage. The best part about this foundation is that it's not too dewy, it's not too, it's not too matte. It has the perfect finish. It's exactly like skin. It's very skin-like. As you can see, I'm wearing this foundation, but it's very undetectable on the skin. Of course, this is a new product that I have been testing out, and I am in love with it. A lot of you guys told me to try out the Airbrush Finish foundation, and I think this is the best foundation Swiss Beauty has. And you guys know how much I love Swiss Beauty, right? But I think this is honestly just the best ones that they have, and I am in love with this. So if you're looking for a really good foundation under budget, then this is definitely a very good recommendation from my side. So the product that I used today with my foundation was this foundation brush that I got from Amazon, and this is the viral foundation brush that everybody seems to be using, and I can totally get why people are using this. This is actually very nice on the skin. Like, it looks very flawless. This is the foundation brush that I have been using continuously. You can see, like, the highlight of this brush. Of course, I have been using it continuously, and Another thing I do want to talk about this brush is that it blends your foundation within minutes, within seconds I'll say. Just 2 swipes and your foundation is blended, it's seamless, it doesn't give you that brush stroke. So I just wanted to recommend this foundation brush as well, because I have already made a reel out of it and I do really love it a lot. So yeah, I just wanted to recommend this one. So the next product we have here is a concealer. So now when it comes to concealer, I have a lot of suggestions that I can give you, especially under the price of 300. Like I can give you like 10 different concealers that I love, right? Affordable ones. But then I thought of including a concealer because this is like an essential kit, right? So I wanted to include something that has different skin tones and that you can use on a daily basis as well, and maybe more for a full coverage look. So this is the concealer wheel from inside. I love this. This is more of a dewy product, so if you have oily skin, definitely set it with powder. For me, I like to set it with powder, so you can imagine that this is like more like a dewy natural finish. I love this shade. The shade I used today actually looks really like my skin tone, and it has different shades as well. It has a orange corrector in here which you can use if you have dark circles. So that's why I wanted to suggest you guys one product that is going to work for many different concerns. So it has this yellow, as you can see, yellow shade of concealer as well, which is going to brighten up your under eyes. If you are into that kind of makeup, definitely go for this. This is a very underrated product. I know I've seen a lot of people talk about it and a lot of people use it as well, but honestly, every time I look at these sort of concealers, I just think in my mind that they are not going to be as good. But with this one, the product quality is just 10 on 10. I have been using it continuously ever since I got it, and I really like it. So now moving on to powders, I was thinking of one of the best powders that I have. Like I have a lot of powder suggestion as well. For example, Mars powders. If you want something that is compact, Mars is good. Swiss Beauty has good powders. But I also wanted to recommend you guys a powder that I personally have been using. If you do not have sensitive skin, this I don't think so it's for sensitive skin, but if you do not have sensitive skin, if you have normal skin, then the Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder is very good. The only thing about this is that I do not like the fragrance. Yeah, do not like it, but I really love how it sets my makeup. So you don't need a lot of it, and please do not bake your under eyes with this because it can be a little bit too much. But I love the shade so much. It has this pink sort of hue to it, which actually brightens up your under eyes and sets it as well. Like right now, I did set my entire under eyes with this, but it's not looking powdery, it's not looking heavy. The trick is to use very less powder. You know, a lot of the times with these products, you can totally make it work if you use a very less amount of product, and just set your entire face also with this, and it's also very long lasting. So that's something that I absolutely did love. And yeah, overall I just think that this product works for me, and just the only thing is that the fragrance is definitely too much. Other than that, this is also a product that I would totally recommend you guys try out. So the next product we have here is a blush. Of course, I cannot skip blush, but I did skip bronzer this time. I was like, you know what? Let's talk about blush, because this is like your everyday go-to makeup, right? Like I think that a lot of people love to use blush for everyday rather than bronzer. So in today's video, we're not going to talk about bronzer. We are going to talk about this amazing blush that I got from Amazon. So this is the Me On Velvet Liquid Blush. And when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is going to be like your usual typical liquid blush, right? But no, oh god, I was wrong. First of all, you don't need that much of product with this, just a tiny bit of amount, and do not apply it directly. Put it on your hands first, then go in with the brush and then apply this, and it gives you the most natural flush of color. Like even if you pile this blush on and on and on and cake it up, it doesn't look cakey at all. It just gives the natural flush cheeks. And the best part I like about this is that it's not too dewy, it's not too matte. Sometimes liquid blushes, they can be a little bit too dewy where they kind of ruin the foundation, and especially for this hot humid weather, I just feel that way. With this blush, it looks the most natural. And if you have dusky skin, oh my god, get this blush. It's going to look so beautiful on you. I'm telling you, the shade is just perfect for us dusky brown girls, and I just feel like this is just going to work, you know, so well with everything. With natural makeup, no makeup, full coverage makeup, this blush just looks the best. It's one of the best blush that I have used under the price of rupees 500. So yes, this is definitely something that is just 10 on 10. So next, coming to a product that I feel like I was sleeping on this product. You know, I didn't really use this product. I saw this product, I was like, I don't think so I'm going to get this. But then I used it and I was like, oh my god, this is so good. This is a Kajal that I got from Mars. So this is the Mars Won't Smudge Budge Kajal. So this is the swatch that I did, and look at it. It literally does not go anywhere. So you get few seconds, actually few minutes to blend this out, and after that it sets, and once it sets, it's not going to go anywhere. Let me just show you. See how much blush it doesn't come off that much. Like, look, this is the wipe and it still stays on. And this is a makeup remover wipe, so you can imagine, like, I tried to smudge this with my fingers, it wasn't doing any of that, like it wasn't smudging off. And I did use my makeup remover, and you can see how little came from the makeup remover. So it's so easy to use. You can literally create a smoky eye within like few minutes with just one kajal, and that's it. That's all I have on my eyes. It looks like I have used like 2 or 3 products on my eyes, and it looks stunning, guys. Like, it looks so good. It looks like I have this very nice diffuse brown smoky eye, but it's just one product, and this product retails for 299 rupees, I think so. The best 300 rupees I spent on an eye product, and it has to be this kajal. Oh my god, they have so many different shades, so if you want something else you can get it, but man, I'm telling you, this works like a high-end expensive makeup. And I honestly think that a lot of people need to talk about this, because I personally was sleeping on this, and I don't want you guys to sleep on this. So definitely get your hands on this. If there is one product from this entire video that I want to like really recommend you guys and say that this is something that everyone is going to be impressed with, it's this. I can truly say that. So for mascara, I went through my collection and I saw that I had a lot of mascaras. So I want to recommend you guys something that I have repurchased time and again, and it has to be the ZM mascara. So this is a mascara that works, mascara or mascara, whatever it is. It works so well, especially with this look today. As you can see, it just works very nicely, and this is something that I know I truly love, because every time I run out of this mascara, I have to purchase it. So every time, you know, I apply this, I'm like, wow, this is so good. It gives me the volume, gives me the length, doesn't make my lashes like clumpy or spider-like. It's a very nice mascara to use on a daily basis. So definitely something that I truly love and enjoy using. Now, as for lips, I wanted to give you guys few options. So I have 2 lip options today. So I am going to suggest you guys the Mars Lip Mist. Ever since I tried it, I am using it. It's exactly like the Rare Beauty Lip Oil, but it's a very cheap version of the Rare Beauty Lip Oil, like a very, you know, affordable version. It's definitely not as glowy as the Rare Beauty Lip Oil, but I'm telling you guys, it does leave a tint behind. So it's a little bit on the glossy side, and once the gloss goes away, once the pigment goes away, this actually leaves a tint. And that's why I wanted to recommend this to you guys, because, you know, if you're going out on the college and if you're eating something, this rubs off, it is still going to leave that tint behind, right? So it's very comfortable to wear. It's almost like a lip balm, and it's kind of very nourishing on your lips too. So if you are someone who loves something like that, you can definitely check this one out. And I have another option here, which is the Mars lip liner. Of course, I had to suggest you guys a lip liner. That is like a very essential thing for me personally. So I'm going to suggest you guys the Mars 02 lip liner, and these are only for the price of ₹59. So of course, I'm going to suggest you guys this, especially if you like that neutral brown tone liner. This is going to be just perfect for you. And recently, where did I keep it? Recently, I tried the Swiss Beauty lipstick as well. I don't know where I kept it. Yeah, this one. So recently I tried the Swiss Beauty lipstick, and ever since I got this peach nude lipstick, I'm just wearing this on a daily basis. And this combo is just so good. Every time I wear this lipstick on camera and even in person, a lot of people like compliment me on my lips and they ask me what products I have on, what's the lip shade I'm wearing, and it's mostly these two in combination. So this is my go-to product for now. And the last product that I would totally suggest to you guys is this Mars. This is the Wonder Fixer setting spray. So I almost forgot to talk about this product, then I saw this in the bag that I just created here. So I was like, yeah, I have to talk about this. So this is the setting spray that works so well, and if you really want a budget setting spray that's going to make your makeup long lasting, look very natural on the skin. So if you have applied a lot of powder, it's going to take away the cakiness, the powdery, you know, texture that you might get sometimes after using a lot of makeup. So this is just going to take it all away and make your makeup set very nicely and look more natural. So really good for a daily basis, like 2 to 3 sprays of this works very nicely. So yeah, I did really like it and I just wanted to recommend you guys a very good setting spray that's long lasting as well. So this is something that I have been using and this is my second bottle of this, so it's a repurchase. So these are all the products that I have been using on a daily basis, and I personally really love each and everything that I have tried on or showed you guys in today's video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have anything from this entire video that I showed you and if you actually like them or not, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.